Create a quiz with a randomized set of questions to distribute a unique set of questions to individual learners. This tutorial shows how to create a quiz with a randomized set of questions from a question pool. Before you begin, ensure there is a section in Question Library that contains the question pool from which you want the random questions to be drawn. To begin, click New Quiz. Note, when creating a quiz, in the Restrictions tab, you can make a quiz visible or hidden, set a due date which dictates when learners are expected to have completed the material, and adjust availability detailing when the quiz will be accessible by learners. Enter a name for your quiz. Navigate to Quiz Questions, then click Add Edit Questions. Click New, and select Question Pool. A question pool pulls questions from a designated set of questions stored in Question Library. Enter a question pool title. Then, specify the number of questions to select from the pool that the learners will see in the quiz. Next, assign a value to the points per question. Note, all questions within a question pool are assigned the same points value. Then, click Browse Question Library. Navigate Question Library to select your questions. For this example, select All Questions. Click Add. Review your questions, and when you are ready, click Save. Click Done Editing Questions. You are returned to the quiz. Here, you can further tailor the quiz. Navigate to Quiz Questions. Specify the number of questions per page, if desired. Then, click Apply. Set paging to prevent users from moving backwards through your quiz. Lastly, to add the quiz to your course, click Save and Close. Create a quiz with a randomized set of questions to distribute a unique set of questions to individual learners.